5 must-try Ayurvedic beauty hacks for flawless skin in 2024. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving deep into the world of ancient beauty secrets. Like, seriously, we're going way back to the roots of beauty wisdom with these 5 must-try Ayurvedic beauty hacks for flawless skin. And guess what? You don't need fancy creams or expensive treatments, honey. We're using homemade ingredients straight from your kitchen. Yep, you heard that right. Your kitchen is about to become your very own beauty spa. These are timeless hacks that have been passed down for centuries. And trust me, your skin will thank you. Upbeat music fades out. All right, beauties, let's kick things off with a bang. Our first Ayurvedic beauty hack is a turmeric and honey brightening mask. Now, you know I'm all about that glow, and let me tell you, this mask is like a one-way ticket to Radiant City. Turmeric, my loves, is like the queen bee of Ayurvedic beauty. It's been used for centuries in India, and for good reason. This golden goddess is known for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help calm down any redness or irritation. Plus, it's a natural brightening agent, so it's perfect for fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And honey? Oh, honey is a gift from the beauty gods. It's a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. Plus, it has antibacterial properties, so it can help keep those pesky breakouts at bay. Now let's get to the good stuff. How to make this magic potion. It's super simple, y'all. Just take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You know, that beautiful golden spice that makes everything taste amazing. Mix that with 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Make sure it's the good stuff, none of that processed stuff. Once you've got your golden paste, apply it to your face and let it work its magic for 15 minutes. While you wait, you can put on your favorite face mask and chill, or you can dance around your kitchen like I do. No judgment here. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water and admire your radiant glow. Seriously, your skin is going to be thanking you. This mask not only brightens your complexion, but also fights acne and leaves your skin feeling baby soft. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for the best results and get ready to glow, baby, glow. Just a heads up, turmeric can stain, so use a light hand and rinse thoroughly, especially if you're a fair-skinned queen like me. Next up, beauties, we're tackling those pesky breakouts with a Neem and Aloe Vera anti-acne gel, because let's be real, nobody has time for pimples. This dynamic duo is like the ultimate acne-fighting team. Neem, my loves, is like the OG of antibacterial herbs. It's been used for centuries in India to treat a whole host of skin conditions, including acne. It's packed with powerful antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties that help to kill the bacteria that cause acne. Plus, it helps to soothe inflammation and redness, so your skin feels calm and happy. And aloe vera? Well, aloe vera is like the queen of soothing and healing. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to nourish and repair your skin. It's also incredibly hydrating, so it's perfect for calming down any irritation or redness. Now let's whip up this acne-fighting potion. If you're feeling adventurous, you can use fresh neem leaves. Just blend them up into a paste. But if you're short on time, neem powder works just as well. Mix your neem paste or powder with 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. You know, the kind you use on sunburns. It's a lifesaver. Once you've got your green goodness, apply it to any acne-prone areas or use it as an all-over face mask. This hack fights acne while cooling your skin, so it's perfect for those hot summer days when your skin is feeling extra irritated. Trust me, this is the ultimate remedy for those stubborn spots. Chapter 3. Sandalwood and Rosewater Cooling Pack. For our third Ayurvedic beauty hack, we're all about calming and cooling with a sandalwood and rosewater cooling pack. This luxurious treatment is like a spa day for your face, and it smells absolutely divine. Sandalwood, my loves, is like the queen of calming and cooling. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic beauty for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also a natural astringent, so it can help to tighten pores and control oil production. Plus, it smells absolutely heavenly, like a warm, woodsy dream. And rosewater. Well, rosewater is like the queen of toning and balancing. It's naturally hydrating and helps to soothe and calm the skin. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, so it can help to reduce redness and irritation. Plus, it smells like a bouquet of roses. Who doesn't love that? Now let's create this luxurious face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, you can find this at most health food stores, and mix it with enough rosewater to form a paste. You want it to be spreadable, but not too runny. Once you've got your aromatic paste, apply it to your face and let it work its magic for 20 minutes. While you wait, you can relax and enjoy the beautiful scent, or you can put on your favorite playlist and have a little dance party. I won't judge. After 20 minutes, rinse it off with cool water and admire your calm, cool, and collected complexion. This cooling pack is perfect for those hot summer days when your skin is feeling extra irritated. It'll leave your skin feeling refreshed, soft, and smelling amazing. Chapter 4. Gram Flour and Yogurt Exfoliating Scrub. All right, beauties, it's time to exfoliate with a traditional Ayurvedic secret, the gram flour and yogurt scrub. This gentle yet effective scrub is like a mini facial in a bowl, and it'll leave your skin feeling baby soft. Gram flour, also known as chickpea flour, is a staple in Indian cooking, but it's also a beauty superstar. It's a natural exfoliant that gently slews away dead skin cells without stripping your skin of its natural oils. It's also a good source of protein, which helps to nourish and brighten your skin. And yogurt? Well, yogurt is like a tall glass of water for your skin. It's packed with lactic acid, a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that helps to dissolve dead skin cells and brighten your complexion. It's also incredibly moisturizing, so it'll leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Now let's get scrubbing. Take 2 tablespoons of gram flour. You can find this at most Indian grocery stores or online. And add 1 tablespoon of plain unsweetened yogurt. Mix it well until you have a smooth paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Avoid the delicate skin around your eyes, then leave it on for 10 more minutes to let the yogurt work its magic. After 10 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water and admire your radiant glow. This scrub is like a mini facial in a bowl, and it'll leave your skin feeling smooth and soft like never before. Exfoliate twice a week and say hello to a radiant complexion. Chapter 5. Saffron and Milk Glow Serum. Last but not least, beauties, we're unlocking the magic of saffron and milk, a beauty elixir straight out of ancient royal skincare routines. This luxurious serum is like liquid gold for your skin, and it'll give you that lit-from-within glow that everyone's after. Saffron, my loves, is one of the most expensive spices in the world, and for good reason. It's prized for its ability to brighten skin, fade dark spots, and give you that coveted bridal glow. It's packed with antioxidants that help to protect your skin from environmental damage, and it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to calm down any redness or irritation. And milk? Well, milk is like nature's own moisturizer. It's packed with lactic acid, a gentle AHA that helps to exfoliate and brighten your skin. It's also incredibly hydrating and nourishing, so it'll leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and glowing. Now let's create this luxurious serum. Soak a few strands of saffron, about 1/4 teaspoon, in 2 tablespoons of raw organic milk for about 10 minutes. The milk will turn a beautiful golden color as the saffron infuses it with its magic. Gently apply the mixture to your face with a cotton pad or your fingers and let it sit for 15 minutes. You'll feel a slight tightening sensation as it dries, but trust me, it's worth it. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water and admire your radiant glow. You'll see an instant difference in your skin tone and texture. It's like a glow-boosting serum, but 100% natural and way more luxurious. For best results, use this treatment a few times a week and get ready to glow, baby, glow. Alright, beauties, that's it. 5 must-try Ayurvedic beauty hacks for flawless skin. These are tried and true secrets passed down through generations, and now you can make them right at home using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Who needs expensive creams and treatments when you've got ancient beauty wisdom on your side? If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss more ancient beauty secrets like these. Drop your questions or your favorite hacks in the comments below, and let's glow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.